Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you a quick video on how to add customer reviews to your Shopify store. So I've got on my Shopify store some books that I recommend, and I just want to write a review myself and say why I recommend them. So I import them from Amazon and I want to give them a review. So what I've done is I googled Shopify product reviews. They've got their own app. It's a 5-star app with 980 reviews. Increases sales, increase SEO, fully customizable, design, looks great of any time. So Google that. I'll put a link to it. Click get. If you're logged in, it will jump you to a setup page. Now, I've already done it once. It might have messed up. Let's just do it again. What did I do? So I googled Shopify reviews app, right? And it should jump me to that one. App reviews. Yeah, problem is I've just ran it, and sometimes these are a one-shot deal. There you go. So manage product reviews, manage install app. And it is the review. You will actually get a box that says this is what you need to do to install the code. Because I've already done it once, it's jumped me past it. But what you will get is something. You'll get this box. You'll be looking at this, and what you have to do is copy this line of code. So copy this and put it where you want it on your page, in the product description, in the sections product liquid, right? Paste it in the section product liquid, right? So I don't know if that takes me directly to it. Oh, it does. So how you can either click on that link, or if you want to do it the long way, go to your online store, edit code, and then down here where it says sections, you're going to have one that says template product liquid. So underneath, if you search for description, you're going to see here on my template is the product description. So let me just open my store to, we'll leave it here, right? So product description, it's going to put the reviews down the bottom. If I add it to here, so if I paste that code in there, save it, and then refresh this page, underneath product description, which is there, it's going to show customer reviews, write a review, great book. I'm going to write a better review for it later. For streamlining your business. Submit review, right? Thank you for submitting a review. Now I'm presuming somewhere as I've got to accept that review. So I'm not sure if I get an email or. So here we go. Here's the review, and I guess because it knew it was me, it just accepted it. I'm not sure if you have to accept them or not. Product reviews, so you can delete it, you can unpublish it by clicking here, but this one's published. Can I jump to it if I go to here? No. So what does it show on this one now? Customer reviews, 5-star, great book, streamline your business. So that's an easy way to get your reviews and then put them wherever you want. I mean, I may want to put them up here rather than down the bottom, because on that page it puts it a bit too low. So I could always go back if I go to open and cut this out and look for the add to cart. Is it actually add to cart? It's probably underneath the social sharing, isn't it? So single quantity. Here's a widget for social sharing. So I could drop it in there and see what that looks like. So I'm thinking now that it's going to show up somewhere here. And there it is, look. So now it puts it right underneath that space, and then the description's further down. So it's where you want it to show. It's where you know what is important. Is the description important, and then the reviews, or do you want the reviews to be the first thing to be seen? I'm not sure what settings you've got to the look and feel of it. Product review settings, auto publish. Okay, so this is where you must manually publish new reviews. Send me an email when a review is submitted. That's going to help. Star color is the theme color or a custom color. I want it like gold or something like that, right? So I can change the color of the star. Show reviews on load. Padding. Reviews per page. Write a review. Review text. Badge with customize the text of a star. No reviews. So you can customize what it says. There's not a lot. There's not loads of options there, is there? So I'm hoping this has gone to a gold now. So the thing I really changed on it. Yeah. So I like a little gold star. So that's how to quickly add it. If I now go to, if you've got separate product pages, like if I go to my training page, you don't actually check out on my training on the Shopify store. It sends you somewhere else. If I go here, it's not going to show, right? So this is a different product page because I want them to click here to go to buy, right? So I have to, because I've got more than one template, I have to add it to the other template. Have I still got that open, or is that, yeah? So what you'll actually see here is I've got a template for product training as well. And this one can go underneath the description. Product description. So I am going to put that there. So if you've got more than one template for your product pages, for me, if it's a training course, I don't have an add to cart because they go somewhere else. So there's two places to change it. So you might need to be wary that if you've had somebody do your Shopify for you, they might have put separate templates. So you'll see this one's now just below the description has got customer reviews. I hope it helps. It got a little scatty because I haven't used it fully, but I hope that makes sense on how to do it. View installation, you should be able to put the code in and then test it. I think it's a test button. Yeah, verify and continue. And it should, I would have thought, tell you that it's happy. Although it doesn't seem to be doing anything, does it? But any questions, let me know. There's always funky stuff in there. But come and join in on the full Shopify training. I'll put a link below to it. So any questions you can always ask. Any problems you can always ask. And, we'll get to the bottom of them. Cheers.